Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hey there! In this video I will explain how to remove your Dodge Charger glove box the only way. This is a straightforward process requiring no special tools. To begin, simply open your glove box all the way. You'll notice a small string or wire on the right side, which acts as a dampener. Gently unhook this string from its connection point. This allows the glove box to move more freely for the next steps. Now, with the dampening string disconnected, look inside the glove box. You'll see two plastic clips, one on the left and one on the right, near the back. These are the stops that prevent the glove box from opening too far. You need to gently push both of these clips inward at the same time. This action will release them from their retaining pegs, allowing the glove box to drop down further. Once you've successfully pushed those two clips inward, the glove box will be able to swing down past its normal open position. This extra movement is crucial because it disengages the two hinge points at the very bottom of the assembly. With the hinges free, you can now carefully pull the entire glove box straight out towards you. It should come out smoothly without much resistance. Putting your glove box back in is just as easy as taking it out. Simply reverse the steps. First, align the two hinge points at the bottom of the glove box with their slots in the dashboard. Push the glove box firmly upward until it clicks securely into place. Then, don't forget to reattach the dampening string to its original connection point on the right side. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.